My video will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Dark Power. My video is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will just show you the negative impact of the ransomware on the files. So you can clearly see that before the ransomware attack, we can open our files without any troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. But unfortunately, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this horrible ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. This happens because of outdated antivirus databases, and some computers don't even have any security software. So that's why this particular ransomware and other types of threats may be easily injected. Now, this ransomware is called Dark Power because it appends this Dark Power extension additionally to the file names. So when you try to open this specific file, you get this message indicating that Windows can't open this type of file with this Dark Power additionally appended extension, and the same applies to all other files. It's not possible to use them. The ransomware reveals these readme.pdf files, indicating that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery, but paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money for nothing. So don't waste your money. Remove this ransomware with the help of reliable security software such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then after the program is successfully installed, start researching the computer. The program is initially in the trial mode, only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its anti-malware database. Please pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It helps to detect this ransomware, it helps to remove this ransomware fully and completely and thoroughly. It also helps to protect your data from further ransomware attacks. There is a special feature called anti-ransomware, so this is what gives you a chance to protect your data. But Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. You may find a special link in the description to this video that will give you more information on how to possibly recover your files which got damaged or encrypted by any possible ransomware. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of infections. You will be able to know their locations. Consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to protect your data in the future.